Dude, what are we gonna do for our movie?
That's the worst idea I've ever seen.
Sorry. Poop hard to do this crap.
I have an idea.
We should make a movie about making a movie.
That's one of the most ridiculous ideas I've ever heard.
That is awful. That was horrible. I mean,
Who does that?
Alright, so this guy, let's call him Benny. Benny is gonna walk over to a trash can and pick it up. But wait, no. He's gonna be playing the ukulele. And Ray, you're gonna hit him with the trash can.
No. Hold on. Why did you even say that? Obviously, Ray is gonna have a pencil and he's gonna throw it at me.
Let's get to filming.
We're supposed to be filming. Zach, what are we supposed to be saying?
I don't know.
I'm real tired of this crap.
I can't do this. This is dumb.
Don't
I'm
leave.
done.
We
I'm
need
done.
you. We
No,
need
I
you.
can't.
No.
No, I'm not doing this. This is
We
the
need
worst
you.
thing I've ever. No.
Ray. We need you.
Where did Ray go? I need Ray.
I just want a good video.
I want Ray. I need him.
We can get him back. We can get him back. I have a plan. We have an idea.
Guys, I don't want to be a part of your dumb movie.
But we have a script, see?
That was the worst movie we ever made.
That was truly the worst movie we've ever made.
That's the worst movie I've ever made.